Hola amigos, this is Crypto Papi over here, and today is day 4 of the progressive trading system. So yesterday I left you with the chart around here, and I'm gonna tell you about the trades I've taken today. I've only taken 2 trades and both of them were winning trades. So I'm now on the 15-minute time frame. So this red box is a bearish order block on the 4-hour time frame, and price tested it and went down. Then I started to see some trend line over here, and as I was looking at it, I saw also in the Williams RSI some sort of trend line, you could say like this. Not a pretty smooth one, but one where it could break to the upside. But what I wanted to see to take along is price getting above this trend line. So let's see what happened. We got a red candle, and then price tested the trend line over here, and it went down. And yes, it went down with a bigger candle, and as soon it went down with a very big candle while this was going up, I took a short. So let me put this here. Yes, so this was my entry. You can see that the take profit level was a little bit more than the rules I've set for this trading system. It's because I was in the trade with a lot more money, with also just other capital. And let's look at how this trade go. It came back, it made an up move, but the up move over here above this trend line was already in the overbought area. Yes, overbought area, and it was still below the 100 EMA, and after that price fell down and our take profit was hit. So you will see the results of this trade on my Binance right now. And then after that, let's see how price developed. So after that, what I did, so you see a fib over here. So that's basically from the swing low of the week to the swing high, and price came, tested the 50% level, and around this time I was going to the gym, playing some soccer, and I noticed price has not reached the 618 level yet. And let's see, so what I did, it was already getting a little bit late and I was tired for the day, so I put the limit order over here at the 618 level with a take profit at the 0.5 fib level. And as you can see over here, the take profit and the stop loss were not around 0.5% but 1%, nearly 1%. The reason for this is because I noticed that a lot of the 5-minute candles on GALA were just like nearly 1% moves. So I wasn't going to monitor this trade, so I took it a little bit safe to go for the double amount of percentage move, but I cut my margin in half. So if my take profit was hit, it would still be around 2.5 USDT. So let's see what happened over here. So actually it was over here, and as you can see, the stop loss was hit, but on the exchange it says like your take profit and stop loss. If I put 0.0189 as my stop loss, that's it will trigger that if the mark price will be 0.01891, and that didn't happen with this wick. So I was saved, you can say. And then after that it came back to nearly hit my stop loss, and then it went to my take profit. Yes, over there. So that was the day. Look at the very big candles over here. I could have taken this trade once more again, but yeah, you don't know that it will happen again. But yes, these were the two trades. Looking at the summary now, today 25th of August. For a lot of people it will already be 26th of August. We took two trades and the current balance is now 322.5 USDT. So our total PNL for this trading system is 22.5 USDT. So right now I want to talk to you about GALA over the week. So this was the weekend range, and now we're getting into a weekend range again, or starting one, let me say that. And this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and as you can see, this is some sort of trend line and broke. And what I've put in this chart is the weekly open. I forgot to put that. And as you can see, the week started here, it went down, it came up again, but couldn't get at least a 4-hour close. I thought it did got a 1-hour close above it, but the next 1 hourly candle was down again. It couldn't get a 4 hourly candle close above that, and that's why price also dropped. And for today we've kind of been, I don't know, indecisive over here with these two doji candles. So what I'm expecting, so you can see in my previous videos I've mentioned that these two levels over here are 50% levels of the wicks on the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame, and that I'm expecting, or yeah, kind of expecting price to come to this level. So if you're shorting on with like a swing trade kind of system, you can use this as take profit levels. So what I've also noticed in this chart, let me put the magnet tool on, is that from this low we got some sort of trend line forming over here. Let me put this in yellow. Yeah, as you can see, this is the first touch, the second touch, and this is the third, very long third touch. We're spending a lot of time over here, so maybe I think this time we will go down or break it like this. And then what I've also noticed, let me put the FIP on it, let me turn this down, is from this high to this low, you can see that the retracement has been only to around here, and maybe we'll get to the 50% level that's over here. And if it gets over there and it drops and break this trend line, we can expect price to go, first it will go to here, but I strongly believe that it will come to this area, because look, we have 50% of the 4-hour wick here, 50% of the 1 hour, and in between the minus 0.618 FIP level. And look at these green candles, they aren't so big. The only way this setup would be invalid is if we get a 4-hour candle close above, let me mark it for you, above this green candle's high. We may get into it, get a wick, but the close needs to be above it for this setup to be invalid. And one more thing, if I look at the volume profile for the week, we can clearly see the point of control over here, and it's very close to the 50% level. So I'm going to bet in about 2-3 hours from now. So I will put a limit order with a short position over there. Let me pick this, I think at a round number 0.195, and aim for, yeah, how it's weekend now, I will be going back to aiming around 0.5% moves, because in the weekend you usually don't get big moves. They can happen, but it doesn't happen often. So this is a short position I will be taking. So this was it. Let me just remove this volume profile. So this was it, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.